friends, welcome to my YouTube channel PG Doctors Indranju. Today's important topic is about enzyme involved in DNA replication with its inhibitor. Start with DNA helicase, also known as DNAB in prokaryotes. First of all, it recognize and bind the double-stranded DNA at replication fork, okay, and unwinding of double helix in 5'3" direction. That means unzipping of the double-stranded DNA. Double-stranded DNA, just like a rope, one rope is wind around each other, and helicase like a cutter, no, like a unwinder. That means if here helicase is present, that it's make a just like distance making between the two strand, so that one strand apart from other. This works like unwinding and separating apart for double stranded DNA. Okay, and it requires ATP. Okay, next, first of all, you have to remember 5'3" direction. 5'3" direction, replication, transcription, and translation, all process goes in 5'3" direction. So you have to remember replication, transcription, and translation all are in 5'3" direction, apart from some other thing where 3'5" direction occurs. Next one is DNA gyrase. DNA gyrase, also known as topoisomerase second in E. coli, and especially I will tell about the topoisomerase. The gyrase works produce negative supercoiling in the resting DNA using ATP before replication. That means it relieves tension. Gyrase and helicase works for unwinding. In unwinding, DNA helicase works and to reduce tension. Here, tension occurs in both strands like that. This tension in the supercoiling reduced by DNA gyrase, and this unwinding done by helicase. Okay, in both of them requires ATP, and here in the DNA gyrase, inhibitor like etoposide act on DNA gyrase so that tension in double stranded DNA can't be possible, so that like that if helicase works on this and gyrase works to reduce tension, if tension is not reduced by etoposide, then replication can't occurs. So etoposide acts as inhibitor on DNA gyrase, especially if E. coli are there. Next one is the topoisomerase. Topoisomerase, that is the prokaryotic DNA gyrase. It creates a nick in the helix to relieve supercoiling. Torsional strand of helicase induced unwinding, so known as nicking and sealing enzyme. and it cuts phosphodiester bond and prevent supercoiling. And inhibitor of topoisomerase is fluoroquinolones. Next one is primase. Primase is DNA G protein. This builds RNA primer on which DNA polymerase third can initiate replication. Okay. Next one is the DNA ligase. DNA ligase acts like a sealing enzyme. Okay. Enzyme that seal or join the fragment together by phosphodiester bond. Join break nick between nascent chain and Okazaki fragment. And disease in which defective of DNA ligase are Bloom's syndrome. Many times asked in the PG exam and FMG exam. So see this and remember this. And the next one is the Okazaki fragment. Well know about Okazaki fragment. It is the short fragment of DNA made on lagging strand during DNA replication. RNA primer is attached at one end. Okay. This is short fragment of DNA, not RNA. And many times asked about is it DNA or RNA? So it is DNA and on lagging strand. Okay. And for the Okazaki fragment, RNA primer requires. Okay. And Okazaki fragment synthesized in double-stranded DNA, and also Okazaki fragment formed during replication of single-stranded DNA also. So remember that single-stranded and double-stranded both. Many times you have seen in exam that DNA polymerase and question asking about the Kornberg enzyme. Kornberg enzyme is DNA polymerase first. And about DNA polymerase first, many times asked in the PG exam that removes RNA primer, replace them with DNA nucleotide, and remove RNA primer with 5'3" direction. It is exonuclease activity, and gap filling in 5'3" direction is polymerase or synthesis activity. That means it removes primer, RNA primer in 5'3" direction, which shows its exonuclease activity, while that of filling of gap, it shows polymerase activity. Okay. DNA proofreading during the gap filling in the 3'5" direction, not 5'3" direction. It is 3'5" direction, so it shows exonuclease activity. Okay. Two things are showing it as a exonuclease activity. That means removing of RNA primer, which shows 5'3" direction, exonuclease, and proofreading in the 3'5" direction. It is also a exonuclease activity. Next one is DNA polymerase second. DNA polymerase second works as a proofreading and repair in 5'3" direction. 5'3" direction, that means exonuclease activity and mitochondrial DNA synthesis and replication. These two things are in the polymerase second. That means proofreading and repair 5'3" direction and mitochondrial DNA synthesis and replication. DNA polymerase third. It creates complementary strand of DNA, major enzyme of DNA replication, adds nucleotides to 3' and elongate leading strand. It works like a major enzyme of the DNA replication. Okay. And also it creates a complementary strand of the DNA. Next one, RNA primer. If replication starts, RNA primer required for the replication. It initiates the DNA replication, building of the new complementary strand. Okay. Next one is the single stranded binding protein, SSBS. It works as binding of the single stranded DNA and prevents separated strand of the DNA from reattaching or reannealing. That means keep helix separated. This is the diagrammatic representation. Here you can see this is the double stranded DNA which are separated by first DNA helicase and DNA gyrase. DNA helicase unwind the double stranded DNA, while that of gyrase works as reduce tension between them. Okay. And here SSB, single stranded binding protein. Single stranded binding protein, here it works like if a strand is separated, then it becomes single and it makes a double stranded DNA. But due to single stranded binding protein, it prevent reattaching from another strand or prevent reannealing, so that this helix keeps separated. Okay. Another one is the primase. No, first of all, RNA primer. RNA primer is formed there, and RNA primer works for initiation of the replication, and Okazaki fragment are formed, and Okazaki fragment requires RNA primer. Okazaki fragment and RNA primer. Okay. Here RNA primer initiates replication and Okazaki fragment form during the replication, and this fragment is joined by DNA ligase. Ligase works to seal to one another. Primase, you know that primase builds RNA primer on which DNA polymerase works on that, so that replication can initiate. Okay. And DNA polymerase third create a complementary DNA strand and add nucleotides in three direction. And DNA polymerase first it removes DNA polymerase removes RNA primer. Here you can see remove RNA primer, and here ligase works like a sealing. That means nicking between two DNA strand is joined by ligase. Okay. This is all about the enzyme involved in the DNA replication and some inhibitor. I will upload next video, detailed video on DNA replication, translation, transcription. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.